Today I am sharing the truth with you guys. I'm doing it Jeremy fragrance style. 2 bottles of Spicebomb Extreme. Are there any kind of differences in the smell? Honestly, I am freaking sick of it, so you definitely get the truth. Hello beautiful people and welcome back. I am Karim, channel name Smell of Truth, and thank you so much for passing by. Today I am sharing the truth with you guys. The truth behind Spicebomb Extreme from Viktor and Rolf. Is it still worth getting in 2023, or should you just go for something else, something that goes in a similar kind of direction, or should you hunt some old batches down? I will definitely let you know. So I bought a backup bottle and I filmed this one before, so I will blend in the part where I prove to you that it is a new bottle, a new kind of batch and everything. Then we continue with this video. I have here a new Spicebomb Extreme that I'm gonna review. So I'm doing it Jeremy fragrance style. So here I have Spicebomb Extreme, and the proof that it is a new one, here you can see the newest 1 million Royale that I just purchased within. So let me show you the batch code here as well. I'm gonna check the batch code and I'm gonna see how long it lasts and if the newer batches are worth getting for you guys. I bought this bottle only for you guys. Well, I also gonna need a backup bottle soon because I used it a lot, but still I bought it for you guys, okay? As you saw, I bought it with the 1 million Royal, which is here. And now I have 2 bottles of Spicebomb Extreme. You see they are identical. You can check the batch codes here. I'm currently editing the video and my hair looks messy as hell. So I'm hanging around in a hoodie, I don't care. I had a small issue. I tried to check both batch codes to kind of tell you from when the new batch and from when the old batch is. So you can see the time frame where the old batch was able to measure it. The thing is that the new batch was not recognized by any website where you can check Viktor and Rolf batches. So I was like, oh man, because I have to be honest, I didn't bought it from an official reseller from Viktor and Rolf. I bought it on the gray market, and if this would have been a fake fragrance, I kind of deserved it. Had to take the consequences because I bought it from a non-official reseller. Thankfully I was able to still make sure that this is a solid batch, that it is a solid fragrance from Viktor and Rolf. Not only because they smell like almost identical, also the details on the bottle itself are the same, and I also texted Viktor and Rolf about it. See, the bottles are literally identical. Also, small detail where you can detect if your fragrance is fake or not, or if it got somehow changed or not, if the brand got new atomizers or whatever, is, as I mentioned, the atomizer. You can see the atomizer is literally the same. This is also small detail. This is literally the same. You can see it. It's the same. Because of that and because of the message of Viktor and Rolf, which I'm going to blend in right now, I was able to make sure that this was still a solid batch. They basically said it didn't get reformulated, and if the batch code is the same on the bottle and on the box, it is a solid fragrance. The batch codes are identical on box and on the fragrance. The sticker where you can see the batch code is different. So if you get a new batch of Viktor and Rolf, it might gonna look like this and the old looks like this, but don't worry. As Viktor and Rolf mentioned, if the batch code is the same on box and on the bottle, it is probably solid. Also, thanks to the small details that I mentioned earlier, you will probably be able to detect if the fragrance will be fake or not. If you are interested in a full video on how to detect fake fragrances, and where I am going to tell you my experience with fake fragrances and the experience of other people with fake fragrances, let me know down in the comments below and that will make it happen. One of them is in my collection for 2 years, I think, something around that. And the other one joined my collection very recently. Are there any kind of differences in the smell? Yes, there are some differences in the smell. It's not really a big deal, to be honest. The newer batch seems to be a bit more peppery and kind of less dark in the opening. You get a bit less of that dark vibe that the old batches give you, and it might be fresher, but besides that, it is like literally identical. This is just fresher and a bit heavier on the peppery note, and this one is just a bit darker, you know, the dark sweet kind of vibe. This one is just heavier on that on top. Besides that, after the dry down, the smell is identical. I do not get any differences in the smell behind these kind of fragrances. When it comes to performance, the old batch obviously lasts longer because it had time to maturate, because it is already 2 years in my collection. Therefore, yes, obviously this one is stronger than the new batch. The new batch needs time to maturate, and I cannot stress this enough. There are some influencers in this community that spread rumors around that this fragrance got reformulated, that it is not worth getting anymore, that you should hunt the old batches down, and then they spread their affiliate links and are like, you can still get the old batches there, or hey, it is going to be discontinued, you can still grab it here, and all that stuff. You know what I mean? Like, honestly, I am freaking sick of it. I do not want to support that, and that's why I do these kind of videos, to help you guys so you definitely get the truth and you do not fall for these lazy tricks, for this really shady tricks actually, because all they do is spread rumors, spread lies, and then make money out of it with their affiliate links. I do not appreciate that, and I do not want you guys to fall for this, and that's why I'm here in this community to help you guys. I get over 10 hours with the old batch, easily 10 hours, up to 12 hours I will even say, and I get 8 to 9 hours with the new batch. 8 to 9 hours is good. Now that spring is coming, I will suggest you to buy it, to wear it once or twice when it is cold, and then let it sit until winter time. If you let it sit until winter time, it will have time to maturate and it will get stronger. But this is just my advice. This is what I personally will do and what I personally did, because I gave this one like 2 or 3 full wearings, I think, before doing this video. So I tested them also side by side to really tell you guys if there are any differences and all that stuff. So yeah, in my opinion, the new batches are good. It is not worth going batch hunting, it is not worth buying multiple backup bottles of this fragrance, because it isn't going to be discontinued. In my personal opinion, and to my knowledge, I do not think that this fragrance was either reformulated or is going to be discontinued anytime soon. Calm your tits, everything is good. The fragrance will still be available on the market. Also, Viktor and Rolf multiple times said that this fragrance isn't going to be discontinued and is also not reformulated. So yeah guys, there you have it, the big truth behind Spicebomb Extreme. Not that special, no conspiracy theories, just the truth. If you enjoyed watching and this video was somehow helpful, valuable, or at least entertaining, make sure to show some love. Like this video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, and see you next time. Bye bye.